in this space. Let's do another arrangement that will help cheer us up. So I chose some yellow tulips. I wanted to do mainly yellow and was afraid it would pale out my vase that I've chosen, but I went ahead and grabbed my secondary flower as roses again. I also have these beautiful sunflowers that may be dyed. I'm not sure. One of these are dyed because according to my vase, I have pink in the water. And then I have these puffs or palms again with my greenery being the same greenery that you would get every time. I'm not sure what these are called, but they are very common. So let's put this together. One of the last time I told you to have a primary flower and a secondary flower. I also want you to know that it should be 1.5 to 2 times in height as the height of your vase. So my girl fingers, I'm going to measure, and I see that I have a full length. So my goal could be, this would be the one time I can do a half to make my height of my flowers to meet about right here. I can do 2 times, and I can make it, if you don't have a ruler, be right here, or eyeball it. So what makes sense. I liked the tulips because I wanted a shorter arrangement. I liked the rim of this vase because I wanted one that was a lot smaller, that would require less flowers. I'm hoping this time to have flowers left over to make a small arrangement for someone in my church that just had a baby, take it over and help make her day. Again, I'm going to start with the woody stems to make my frog, meaning making crisscrossing in the water will give me a place for my my flowers, then can sit in between all of those areas. So let's put this together. Okay, for the arrangement that I'm going to do for our little friend at church, I have a little bit of a trick that can help you with labels. Although it only takes out off the outer part of the label, it will leave its own tag. You can write congratulations. Place your packing tape or some of your regular tape. It'll take off your major portion of your label. Give you a clear jar. This one left me with just the white, which I can also write congratulations across. And I can write something on love you. You can do a big heart. Still use it as your label. And for this one, I have no yellow left. Put it way far down deep. I want to make it just above. And I hope red is the favorite color, because that's what I have left. For a cute little treat to take to her house. So I hope you enjoyed. Follow for more.